This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Velina Crook less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 02027862. Live the good life. This new Wuk Village home has everything you need for full-time living or your second home dream. Enjoy the spacious open floor plan, large bedrooms, den or flex room, wood-burning fireplace, central heat, and abundant storage. The yard is easy to maintain and fenced. There is also a large shed and two-car garage for all of your toys. No need to worry about losing power here, there is already a backup generator. Make this your High Sierra base camp now, with a hiking trail at the end of your street. Copy and paste the following link and take the virtual tour. https://my.matterport.com/show/?m equals pvnubu5h&m.l.s equals 1 For more information, review the details below or contact Velina Crook less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 02027862 at 209-532-6993.